Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to learn 14.2, finding square roots. Now, what does it mean to find the square roots? Basically, if I were to give you a square with an area of 49, you are basically going to find the sides. What are the sides of the square? Oh, I see, it's going to be 7 because 7 times 7 gives you 49. Okay, so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to find the sides, the dimensions of a square. Let's take a look at numbers 1 and 2. So over here, we're going to find the square roots. We're going to find out what two numbers will multiply to this number right here. So what times what gives you 64? Yeah, it's going to be 8. 8 times 8 is 64, but you know what? What else? Negative 8 times negative 8. So you guys can say 8 and negative 8. How about 4? What multiplies to 4? Oh, it's going to be 2, right? 2 times 2 is 4. Or you can say negative 2 times negative 2 also gives you positive 4. Okay, so let's take a look at this now. Number 3. Let me drop some vocab on you. This right here, this is called the radical sign. This whole entire line right here, this is the radical sign, radical. And then the number inside is called the radicand, radicand. Over here, we have 144 as our radicand, and we're trying to find the square roots. Oh, and by the way, if it doesn't say a number right here, there's actually a hidden 2 right there. Okay, so one more time. If it doesn't say a number, there's actually a hidden 2. So it's just trying to find out what two numbers will multiply 144. It's going to be 12. Over here, we're only going to talk about the positive numbers and not the negative numbers. So the square root of 144 is 12. Let's take a look at number 4. What's the square root of plus or minus 100? So what times what gives you 100? Oh, it's going to be 10 because 10 times 10 is 100. But because you have a plus or minus sign on the outside, you can do plus and minus 10. That's your answer. So it could be positive 10 or negative 10. So I'll say positive 10 or negative 10. That's the same thing. Take a look at number 5. The radicand inside here is 0.25. Okay, what times what gives you 0.25? Think about this. Okay, I know some of you guys are saying, oh, Mr. Chen, it's 0.05. Wrong, 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 wrong. It's not. The reason why is if you do 0.05 times 0.05, that's going to give you 0.0025. It's not 0.25. The answer is going to be 0.5 because when you multiply 0.5 times 0.5, that's going to give you 25, but then you have to move the decimal twice because 1, 2, that's going to give you 1, 2. See? 0.25, 0.25. So the answer is 0.5. And then since there's a negative sign on the outside, you guys can stick that on. So it's negative 0.5. Take a look at number 6. What times what gives you 9 over 16? Yeah, that's right. It's going to be 3 over 4 because 3 over 4 times 3 over 4 is 9 over 16. I'll write that on the side so you guys can visualize. 3 over 4 times 3 over 4, that's going to give you 9 over 16. So the answer is 3 over 4. Sorry, I forgot the plus or minus sign. So plus or minus 3 over 4. Over here, we have number 7. What times what gives you 4 over 25? Yeah, it's going to be 2 over square root of 25. 5 right there, and then you can put a minus sign in front, so it's negative 2/5. All right, let's do some order of operation questions now. Take a look at number 9. You have the square root of 9 squared plus 2. Okay, there's two ways of doing this. What's the square root of 9? It's going to give you 3, but then 3 to the second power, 3 times 3 will give you 9. You see, that gives you a 9 anyway. So what you can do is whenever you see a square root and a square, one more time, when you see a square root and a square, you can cancel them out. So that's just going to be 9 plus 2, which is going to give you 11. Square rooting and squares, that's going to be, they are the opposites of each other, right? They're the opposites. Okay, so let's take a look at number 9. Over here, again, we're going to use order of operations, okay? So instead of doing the 5 minus 4, and then, instead of subtracting first, we're going to multiply these two numbers because this is 4 times the square root of 1 over 16. Okay, let's find the square root of 1 over 16 first. What's square root of 1 over 16? 1 over 4. So I'm going to write this is 1 over 4. Drop down the 4. Like that, minus 5. Okay, do a step by step. Do we subtract first or do we multiply? Yeah, we want to multiply. So 4 times 1/4, that's going to give us, that's going to give us 1. So you can say this is going to be 1. Over here, this is going to be 5 minus 1, and that's going to give you 4. That is your final answer, okay? So let's just do a quick recap. To find the square root of something, basically you are finding the dimensions of a side of a square, okay? So if the area is 49, the side is going to be 7. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. Okay, see you guys in the next video.